Hi, my name is Joe Tran. I work as an automation mechanic for a big grocery chain, and I joined the Shifu program in November of 2022. I realized that I'd rather start my own business than working and building somebody else's vision and dream. I always wanted to work for myself, build my dream of having more time for myself and my family. My biggest motivation is my family. I always wanted to be financially and time free. I chose the Amazon journey instead of other opportunity because the business model was very interesting, working from anywhere, having the business run 24/7. What held me back from starting my own business was the lack of knowledge, the experience, the fear of failing, and not knowing where to start. In the beginning of my journey, it took about 3 to 4 months to find my first product. I was spending about 20 hours a week, and as of right now, I have low inventory, going to sell out very soon. I am making an average of $800 a day, and just now hit my first $1,000 a day for 2 consecutive days in a row, and would have made 30,000 plus if I had enough inventory for this month. Here are my last 7 days in sales is $5,000 plus, and the last 30 days is over 15,000. It feels amazing making money while at home, at work, or even in your sleep. I've been following Shifu's Justin's mentor program on Instagram, and his authentic compassion and transparent journey deeply resonated with me. I believe he can take me to the next level. I feel like having a mentor is very important for several reasons. It accelerates my progress by sharing knowledge and experience, and having someone who believes in you, especially on rough days, can improve your mindset and overall well-being. I find it valuable about Justin, Han, Charlie, and the Shifu mentor program is the constant support, the coaching, the mindset of the next level decision making, thinking, and the compassion they have for me and everybody in this community to win in business, but overall in life. The new habits that I implemented since joining the program by exercising, reading, journaling, improving my skills on Amazon business, and making sure I reflect my actions to improve myself. The meaningful memory that I had with Justin involved him checking on me during a difficult time. He offered me guidance, strength, confidence, and pressed me with his compassion and thoughtfulness, not just as a mentor, but as a friend reaching out to help. The Shifu warrior family is on another level. Everyone there is trying to grow and has the same mindset like me to succeed. This family is strong and willing to reach back and help one another, and I love it. I believe having a mentor and a strong community support is important to my success, is that they really want you to win. You always want somebody in your corner to believe in you. They can create a safe space for guidance, wisdom, and share experience to give you different perspective on situations. If I can restart my Amazon journey, I would definitely rejoin the Shifu Mentor Program. This amazing group of people is filled with compassion, wisdom, and abundant growth mindset that not just wants to improve their lives, but yours as well. For those wanting to start a business but feeling overwhelmed by fear and the unknown, I was there. I was there too. Focus on the positive growth mindset, seek mentorship for guidance, strive for 1% self-improvement every day, and just join the Shifu family. Thank you to the amazing Amazon Shifu family. Have a wonderful day.